In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and delete your mobile number on Twitter account. So if you want to remove your mobile number from your Twitter account, so firstly sign in your Twitter account, then click on these three dots. Anyhow, click on settings and privacy. Here you will find option for your mobile number. Click on it. Here you can change your mobile number by clicking on update phone number, and if you want to delete your phone number, so click delete phone number. This will remove this number from your account, and you will no longer be able to receive notification or login codes to it. If you are sure, so click on delete. That's it. So by this quick and easy method, we can know how to delete phone number from Twitter account. Thanks for watching.